Hello everyone! Welcome back, and if you are new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I remodel-ish my hallway. So if you guys would like to see the way I remodeled everything, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, I'm starting off with a warning. You are going to see a whole lot of dirty feet in this video. I completely didn't think about my feet. They're dirty because I was walking back and forth all over the floor. I hadn't cleaned the floor before, and I was stepping in paint left and right. And I'm a child when it comes to painting. I suck at it. So I'm just letting you know right now, I'm sorry that you see my nasty feet. Try to ignore it. They look gross. My apologies. If not, if I try to cut it out, you're not going to have any video to watch. So just ignore those. But basically what I'm going to be doing is painting all the baseboards to kind of bring out the crisp white part of the baseboards. My walls are brown and the baseboards are white, but since we moved in, we haven't painted them. And I just want them to pop a lot more to make the brown and the white have a little bit of contrast. And I know what some of you may be thinking, why not just paint all the walls white? But trying to paint these walls white after being so dark is a mission. Right now we were doing our bathroom, and the bathroom is a light tan. A light tan. And we went through three coats. Yeah, 3 coats each. And for the dining room, hallway, living room, that's just not in our budget. So we are going to keep the walls white, or I'm sorry, we're going to keep the baseboards white and the walls brown. The reason why I painted the walls brown when we had moved in is because the outside of our house, the exterior of our house, is completely white. There is no other color besides our roof. Our roof is like a gray color. So I wanted the inside to be more warm and have color to it instead of a white house with a white inside. So that's why we did it this way, and I just decided to keep it this way. So it's just going to be the baseboards for right now. And if you guys are new here and you stuck around past my dirty feet comment, hi, my name is Vanessa, and I make cleaning videos, but at the moment, me and my husband are in the middle of moving. So we are kind of refurbishing our house and redoing our house, and I have a lot of decluttering videos and things like that because we are going to be moving. So for the next couple of weeks, you guys are going to be seeing a whole lot of us redoing our home, painting, kind of redoing some parts that are broken or things like that. So if you guys are interested in cleaning videos that will be coming still, or house remodeling or anything like that, please subscribe if you guys haven't already. And I also have a whole lot of videos set up for when we find our new home and things of that nature. You're gonna see in all of my painting or remodeling videos me wearing the exact same clothes, and the reason for that is these are the clothes that I don't really care if I get anything on them, because like I said, I am a 5-year-old when it comes to painting, and I get paint all over my clothes. So right now is not so much about looking cute. I need to get this done. We are on a time crunch, and I don't care about this shirt or these pants getting paint on them because they definitely will. That white spot that you see in the back every time I turn around, yep, that's paint. So, like I said, I'm a child when it comes to painting. So I tried this thing that I saw on like these hack videos, and it was like, oh, use a whatever this is and put it on the bottom of the baseboards and try to paint. Yeah, this thing was hard. I don't know if I would recommend this. I'd rather just use tape because, as you can see, I was getting it everywhere. It wasn't working for me. Maybe I need one of the metal ones or something, because this one's so flimsy that every time I would paint, it would just move, and then I would get white everywhere. And then, see, this is what I'm talking about. I finger paint, and I also don't know how to focus my camera, but I finger paint, and it gets all over the floor, and then I have to clean it up. So this just wasn't working for me, so I just stuck with tape because it was way easier. Every time I would start a different part, I would realize like, oh, I still need to do the frame, or I still need to do this part of the floorboard, or I found this area, or I'm gonna do the door. And then I would look at like the back side of the door and be like, oh, I still need to do that side. Or I don't know, I was just finding so many things. So this was supposed to only be like, I thought an hour at tops project. No, this took me all day. All freaking day. I was like stopping. Of course, I ate lunch and stuff, but I just noticed how much I was missing on each part. Like I would do the door and then I would notice the other side of the door or something. And so you'll see me going from like random spots. That's literally how I filmed, because I didn't realize that I had that much to keep painting. I just thought it was just going to be the baseboards and that was completely it, but it wasn't. So you'll see me keep going back to spots or like finding other spots, because like I'll do one side and then I'll look on the other side and be like, oh, they're not matching. So then I would go over it again. And this just took a very, very long time. And after about 3 hours of this, my arms were killing. Talk about a workout. I've been painting for the past like 2 weeks now, because we've been doing the bathroom and my husband's man cave-ish type of thing. And the entire, like my arms are on fire. I feel like I'm getting like biceps and triceps. And after letting that dry for what felt like forever, then I'm just going to take off all the tape and show you the end result. Now this one isn't going to be that big of a drastic change because honestly all I'm doing is taking off all the scuff marks and stuff off the door, things like that, redoing the baseboards. That's all I'm doing for the hallway. But for the other parts of the house, you will see a bit of a difference. Not too much. Like I said, we are just doing this on a budget. There's not much we can do. We live in a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom house, and it's not the biggest or anything like that. So we're just trying to make it look as nice as we can for what it actually is. So this one, no, it's not that big of a drastic change, but I'm going to be doing like the bathroom and stuff like that. So you guys will be seeing a whole lot more in the new videos coming up. And that is going to be it for this video. Like I said, there's not a lot that's really different on this one. I'm just showing you kind of where we're going with everything. But I promise you in the next couple videos you will be seeing a transformation with a lot. So that's going to be it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. And I will be seeing you very, very soon in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.